India's biggest car maker, Maruti Suzuki, has reported a profit. Is this post-COVID recovery? Actually, the profits of July-September, this is the net profit, is at 1,371 crore rupees. It's 1% up compared to the same period last year. And for this quick chat, we have R.C. Bhargav with us. He's the chairman of Maruti Suzuki. Thank you for speaking with us, Mr. Bhargav. You have managed to swing back to net profit. How?
Well, considering that the industry in September quarter, this means this quarter two, has actually sold more cars than last year. And I'm not talking only of Maruti, I'm talking of the industry as a whole. If you sell more cars than last year, then you should make profit, no?
Right. Was this growth in the pre-COVID period, this spike that we saw?
Yeah, but remember last year the sales numbers were already depressed numbers. Compared to 18-19, sales in 19-20 for the industry were 18% down. For Maruti, they were 16% down. So we are comparing this quarter's numbers with numbers which were comparatively lower than what they were in the year before that. So if I compare with 18-19, I'm more than 20% down.
Right. Now, to rebound to old levels of growth, what needs to be done? Because the entire auto sector took a beating for more than a year prior to COVID also.
I wish I had the answer to that, but let's wait and see, because till December there is not a problem. We will keep doing well. The main question which I think is in our mind is how will demand play up in the next calendar year?
Okay.
And not only in January or February, but as we go along in that year, how will demand play up? Because there are a number of factors which we can say are plus points. There are also a number of factors which are minus points. And these minus points are essentially the outcome of the COVID.
Right.
So how the whole equation will come out, I don't know.
Right. Last time you spoke to NDTV, you were worried about localized COVID shutdowns affecting your suppliers, sir.
Yes, I think today the government, both central and state, are supportive of growing manufacturing activity. And we don't have a problem in terms of companies not being able to produce or not being able to have supplies coming in or some other bottleneck. That is not happening at all. Okay. So production is taking place.
Okay, good that the problems are sorted. But what about exports for Maruti? Is that presently a challenge?
Exports, the target this year is not a very high target. I think it's 1 lakh plus something. And while in this quarter we were below the target, but overall I don't think there should be a difficulty in achieving the export target.
And are you optimistic about green shoots in demand, sir?
I don't have, as I said, I don't have the answer to that question. I wish it would rebound and sustain itself. But as I said, there are a number of conflicting factors which affect demand, which are going to be in play. And only by watching what happens will we be able to understand whether we're going to come out strong or going to come out not so strong.
Right. What about product launches, sir? Will that continue?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. Product launches will continue. There's no deferment of product launches.
Right. And will that be across all segments?
Yes, across segments and everything. See, We will do whatever is within our power to create demand in the customers, which would include various kinds of arrangements with banks, special scheme, like we made the special scheme for LTC people. The moment government announced it, I think 48 hours, we had a scheme available for people who wanted to use it. So we will do everything within our power to create demand, create excitement, get people to buy. But there are some factors on demand which are beyond our control. You know, if the people have lost their jobs in the economy, or if the entertainment industry or the travel industry, the hospitality industry is in the doldrums. And those are areas which work as a customer for cars. I can do nothing about that. If the income of people has gone down overall because GDP has gone down, and it'll take a year or a year and a half or 2 years to bounce back for the economy as a whole, I can't control that. So I'll do what I can do. But beyond that, there are factors beyond my control.
Right. Right. Thank you very much for speaking with us, sir, and also best of luck for the coming year. Thank you.